thank you so much guys to everybody na naglibre sa akin and naging nice sa akin, and very well appreciated to all the accommodation that you have given to me guys. It's already 11 in the evening ngayon at masakit pa ang ulo ko, pero it was so fun, and I'm very thankful that nandito po ako ngayon, and I hope to see you again. To everybody there from the Pandibulacan friends, family and relatives, I love you guys, and I hope you're in good health always and keep safe. So as the days go on, it's Friday. I'm so thankful for all the blessings that given to me, for all the free stuff, and for all the goodness. My cousins, I love you guys, and I hope, and I'm sorry for the things that I have done. If you don't like what my attitude I show you or what I have not good, kung di man, okay po, but I'm sorry, but thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you. You're so nice, you're so cool, and the next time, tour and travel, meet and greet. Salamat po, and kita-kits. I will be going to sleep now because I'm tired. I will show you some of the things inside my room, inside here in the hotel room at the Fontana. So check it out, this. So I'm really sleepy and I need to sleep. At antok na antok ako, and nakainom ako konti. Sumakit yung ulo ko, but it's okay, it's fun. So good night guys, and i-off ko na ang light. So see you tomorrow. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.